the airplane go downwards, and there's left and right. Then right, if you pull that, the airplane go upwards.
So how far can it go up?
Well, we can go up to about 8 miles, so what's that, about 13 kilometres of the ground, so that's sort of...
What are these switches for?
They're the trim switches. What they do is to make it, if you want to keep it going a straight line, depends on how much power you put on and how much weight there is in the part of the airplane. It'll either try to go down or up, so you can actually finely adjust it with those.
So we're both working together?
Yep, that's it, they're attached to one another. That's so if we fall out with each other, we can't go in different directions. We don't waggle it too much, otherwise the engineer man on the ground behind me tells me off, because he's playing with it now.
The wheel tails?
It shouldn't do, no, but it still removes a lot of the controls. You won't actually move the things on the wings.
Is there a horn on the plane?
Beg your pardon?
Is there a horn on the plane?
The horn, well, what have we got here? We've got any horn.
I didn't
There are also
notice this.
lights. See, all the lights come up now. Yeah. You get everything come up.
What are
as you do
these
here.
for?
Those are the rudder pedals. There's a bit at the back which moves that. We use that to steer the aeroplane on the ground. Let's use our feet to steer the aeroplane on the ground, and also use it. We've only got one engine working to make the aeroplane straighten up.
So how do you start it?
Oh, if I tell you that, you might disappear with it, mightn't you? No, you can't tell how to start it. It's a big secret.
Is there a lot of steps to it?
Well, there's quite a few. Yes, you've got to get it all ready before you can start it. So it takes us about half an hour to get it all set up before we get started. Anyway, you are going to miss a bus if we're not careful.